So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Apple TV box not turning on, power HDMI remote and access step. So quick fix summary. Check power cable and outlet, verify HDMI cable and TV input, charge and repair the Siri remote, reset the Apple TV, restore the device using a computer if necessary, contact Apple support if the device remain unresponsive. Fix 1 is check the power connection. Apple TV cannot start if it's not receiving stable power. A loose cable, faulty outlet, or damaged power cord can prevent the device from turning on. Verify that the power cord is securely connected to the Apple TV and wall outlet. Try a different power outlet to rule out outlet issue. Inspect the power cable for visible damage. Wait at least 30 seconds after reconnecting the power before checking for activity. Second fix is verify the HDMI connection. Sometimes the Apple TV is powered on, but the TV cannot display the signal because of a loose or faulty HDMI connection. This can make it appear as though the Apple TV is not turning on. Ensure the HDMI cable is firmly connected to both the Apple TV and TV. Switch to the correct HDMI input or your television. Try a different HDMI port on the TV. If available, test with another HDMI cable to rule out a faulty cable. Third fix is check the Siri remote. The Apple TV may be working normally, but a drained or disconnected remote can make it seem unresponsive. Charge the Siri remote using a Lightning or USB-C cable, depending on the model. Wait at least 50 to 30 minutes if the battery is fully drained. Try turning on Apple TV by pressing the TV control center button. Repair the remote if it is not responding. Hold back or volume up together for about 5 seconds. Follow any on-screen pairing instruction. Fourth fix is force restart the Apple TV. Temporary software crash can prevent Apple TV from completing the startup process. A power cycle clears these temporary glitches and reload the system. Unplug the Apple TV from power, wait 50 to 30 seconds, plug it back in. Allow up to 1 minute for the device to boot. Fifth fix is look for status light. The LED indicator provides clues about whether the problem is related to power, startup or software. A solid white LED typically indicates normal operation. A flashing LED may indicate a startup issue or software problem. No LED light often point to a lower related issue. Sixth fix is reset Apple TV using a computer. Corrupted system file or failed update can stop Apple TV from booting properly. Reinstall the operating system and remove software corruption. If the device power on but remains stuck during startup, connect the Apple TV to a Mac or PC. Open Finder or macOS or Apple devices, iTunes on Windows. Select the Apple TV when it appears. Choose Restore Apple TV. Wait for the restore process to complete. 7th fix is check for TV related issue. A TV input issue can make it appear that Apple TV is not turning on when the actual problem is with the display device. Confirm that the TV itself is powered on. Test another device on the same HDMI input. Restart the TV and try the Apple TV again. When to contact Apple support? If the Apple TV shown no power light, remains unresponsive after trying multiple outlets and cables, or fail to start even after a restore, the issue may be hardware related and require professional service. Thank you.